Hello everyone, this is Andrew from No Code No Problem, and I would like to show you around our OKR app that you can use to set and track OKRs in your organization and align your team around common goals. OKRs stand for Objectives and Key Results, a really powerful methodology to achieve awesome results with your team. So let's get started. Once you sign up, you'll be prompted to complete your user profile that includes typical fields like photo, name, email, about me, manager, team, etc. You can set different user roles like user and admin for users, and so that only admins can edit other users, for example. Once you have your profile, go also to teams and create the teams that reflect your organizational structure. With users and teams in play, you can go to objectives and start setting your goals. As according to the best practices of the OKR methodology, objective, when you create a new objective, it has an aspirational title, something like achieve record revenues, its status, behind at risk, on track, and the team that owns this objective, as well as the user who is the key responsible for it, and the due date. You can align them to the parent objectives and create like a hierarchy of goals in your organization. Let's jump to one of the already objectives, like successfully release version 2 of our CRM product. On the objective details screen, you see all the respective info about the objective as well as the key result. Key result is the measurable metric, or how you measure that you are moving towards your objective. Ideally, it should contain a number and be formulated like increase or decrease metric from A to B. Each key result has this started value, current, and target. So can be either percentages or specific numbers, like in this case. You can easily update all these numbers right here so that it's really easy, and all the progress will be saved and reflected immediately in your key result. Or you can go to object edit key result and update any related details over here. Each key result can have tasks or activities that might help you achieve and move forward your key results forward, that you can assign to each key result and then track, monitor, complete them. As well, you can see any related and important info about this key result, like the parent objective, the owner, or comments that you might leave here next to the key result. Objective progress is calculated as the average of all the key results of this objective and displayed here. And the team overall progress is calculated as the average of all the objectives in this team. And if you go to, for example, team profile, you'll be able to see the average of these team objectives, the upcoming ones, and the past due not calculated in this number here. And you can view always your past objectives in the past objectives respective item over here. On the tasks, you have an overview of all the tasks that are open in your team over here, and filter them by user and complete them right here if needed. As well, the same you can do for filtering on the objectives tab, and monitor them by specific teams. A really nice and helpful screen is the dashboard, where you can monitor your objective status by team as the percentage of completion, or by user as well as the percentage of completion. Then we can see that Dan totally crashes it. And unfortunately, Mary, Fred, and Mark don't have yet objectives. You can also monitor the total number of objectives in your team, or total number of objectives in by user. Everything that I showed you is collected very in concise manner on your home. This is where you have access to your profile, your team, all your objectives, including the past ones, and all your key results, and can quickly update everything right from here, so that it's really useful and handy. Or if it's a lot of the items, they will be hidden here in the see all, as well as access to your open tasks. Some extra auxiliary screens are users, where you can add new users or update existing. If you're an admin, they are grouped here by their team. or your past objectives, where you can filter, sort, and check your past objectives, as well as completed tasks if you need to reference them later, mark them not done, etc. So that's pretty much it. As you can see, the app contains everything that you need to roll out the successful OKR methodology in your team, and I really hope it helps you achieve awesome results with your team and with the successful implementation of the OKR methodology. This template was created by No Code No Problem agency, and we can help you design similar apps or extend this one. Just hit us an email at nocode@uptech.team. Thanks for watching and take care.